Welcome back to our tutorial. Welcome to this video. Because of what has happened to our developers, some of our developers, their AdMob account has been suspending by Google. Because of what? Because of invalid traffic. Because I've been into Coco AdMob, I have understand and I have been studying their errors, strategies, their punishment, and what could make them to give your account suspension or restricted you or giving you some limited at limits in your app monetization. So because of that, I came to realize that sometimes VPN users can also be the cause of it. So because of that, I used to have engagement with other people posts when they are posting things. So because of, I try to give them some tips that VPNs can be one of the challenge. How is this one of the challenge? Because users want to use VPN to access the app. Let's say because of what we are, the way we are creating our app with Sketchware, so it is not that's enough for let me say security or securing our application, the IP address of the application. So because of that, you are like people are seeing its suspension. Sometimes you see that users are into the application, but the ECPM is not that increasing, your earning is not that kind of going higher. Sometimes even if it was up going up a little time, you see it to be like coming down, the request is not that good, and so other things. So because of this thing, people began to tell me, can you do a video how we can restrict our users from using a VPN to access our application or to use our application. Sometimes people are using VPN not because they intend to use it to spoil your application. Sometimes they are like, oh, this, they want to just keep their location of or their privacy to their details about their devices and whatever. So that is why I come into this video to show you how to restrict users from using VPN to access your application or to launch your app while their VPN is on. Your app will automatically show to them that they should turn off their VPN before they can have access to the application contents. So that is what I want to show you in this video, because if you are like, oh, I want to allow people to use VPN to access my application because they want to use USA or they want to use UK and others of the foreign countries based on your country that you are living to create the application, and you expect foreigners or expect foreign location like USA, Canada and others of the American countries. So it's like you get it wrong, except you're using something like Unit AdSense or Uploving or Startup IO. Those are the location that you can use VPN, and it will not that automatically detect, and you may not you will not get any kind of suspension or suspicious notice. But in AdMob, Coco AdMob, it is not like that. You can immediately have this notice and sometimes can terminate your AdMob account, and your earning will not be found, and any accounts created later within the location of the terminated account or any details that is related to that terminated account can also affect the new account that you may want to create for your app development still in AdMob account. So that is why in this video I create my own account app now. So you go in with your app name. I can say VPN restricted.
Welcome to Unlimited Money's blog, your ultimate destination for everything related to app development, website blog tips, tech tutorials, business strategies, and making money online. If you're ready to dive into the world of digital entrepreneurship and unlock unlimited potential, you're in the right place. Before we dive into today's content, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends who share your passion for technology and online business. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more exciting content. Remember, your feedback helps us grow and improve, so don't hesitate to reach out. You can also comment in the description. Now, let's get started and turn your dreams into reality. Thanks for tuning in.
Let me say I bring in some few views, one or two views. I put on my linear, I drag in a text like this. I bring a text to the middle, to the center. That's center horizontal and center vertical. Okay, after that, what we need here is one. We go to our components here. I think we should use components like dialogues to have this episode, or to get this done. Open something like dialogue. So you create a dialogue. Create a dialogue component here. You come with the dialogue components. Anyhow you want to use, want to make it to be going to another activity to show this, it can still show. You want to use dialogue, you can still show dialogue. So I'm using dialogue here because of the video purpose tutorial. So I want to make it to be once we are running on the dialogue, you understand how you can change it to activity. So I can say block. This one is blocking, block. So I use this word block because this dialog will pop up on the screen. So after that, the next thing I will do before we go far, click on this dot button before we start the main thing, so that do not forget, click on the permission, come to the permission area. So after in your permission, you search for this few keywords. Nets, you can type nets or network. So or just write nets. So as you are searching on nets, we have here access network condition. You put it, mark it. The following one, we have it here, access network states. You mark it. Bind network recommendation service. You got it. The other ones we have here, change network states. You mark it. Connectivity use restricted network. Yes, you got it. Network, we want to have it now. So the next thing is, we have all these view. Observe the network that we are getting here is not just ordinary. We have to point out these networks. So once you have it here, you come back. Come back to the main place. After that, what you have to do, come to the event tab here. So once you click on the events, you first of all come to the more block. More block here, you click on this create new more block. You have it this way. What we are not going to use the regular button, the regular block here. This shape is for regular block. Sometimes we know it as void, so we don't use this one. We are using boolean. So what you have to do is to check this boolean here. As you can see, we have boolean. This is boolean as well. So this is the radio button for boolean. You touch that area, you have changed it to boolean. So the next thing is to give a name to the block, to the more block. This name is the name we are going to, because it is boolean. We are using boolean language here. Is VPN connected. So this is the name of the language, because this is boolean, is VPN connected. So the next thing is for you to, let's say you click on the add button, you add it. So after you add it, if you either you want to also restrict mock location, if you have understand what we know as mock location, that one is not that necessarily, but because mock location always work with VPN as well, so this one alone can give you what you are looking for. So once you click on this place, as you are clicking here, you put this custom block. The link is in the comment or the description section of this video. So once you go there, you will get the links to this custom block known as no VPN block. So you can see the block here. We have two blocks in this place. The first one is VPN connected. The other one is mock location enable. So if you want to also use mock location, You are not going to put these two blocks in the same place here. You create another more block like this, custom more block like this, and put the second one. Each of these more block is for the one of the block here. So because we are using is VPN connector, you are taking the block according to this, according to its name. So the name is VPN connected. You put it here. You are not to do any other thing than that. So the next thing you are doing is to come to the activity here under the events tab, activity. So in your on create, you come to the on create. In your on create, we have to get this condition block here. This is the condition block. Click on the block here, come to this control as well. We know about that condition block. So we get this if. So this if block is something that will give us what we are looking for. So the now after you have taken the condition block, scroll down to your more block. We know about more block. This is more block here. You click on it, you get the boolean more block that you created. So this is the more block, you put it here. You see it now. So after you get it that way, the next thing is to click on the components here, component behind it. You click on the component, you get this dialog that you created. You anywhere you want to make your dialog, you can put one button. So I want to use my own one button. I select the dialog component name that I created. So after that, put one dialog, one block remain to show. This small one means to allow the block the dialog to pop up. So the first thing is the title. What's the title I want to give it to it? I say the title is VPN restricted. I can use it as title. Then I write something here. Turn off your app VPN. Turn up your VPN, your app VPN, and open the app again. So after I get this information here, I put it. The next thing is the OK button. So once they click on the OK button here, OK button here, it will close the app. So we come to the top here, we get finish affinity, because the app must be closed. Yes, the app must be closed so that you can go and turn it off. So it means that if this VPN is connected based on what the logic that we run in the mobile VPN, so this pop-up, this screen will show. It means that if the VPN is on, is that the user device, the dialog here will be showing. So you know, notice that if the screen is touched somewhere behind the or outside the dialog, it will close the dialog. So you have to restrict what we know as cancelable. So you come to operator, you take this particular block known as you can put it anywhere here, known as add source directly. So you put it, you now say what's the name of the block. The name of the dialog, my own is block. You can put the name of your dialog, block dot set cancelable. You see it here, set cancelable. You now say false. Set cancelable false. I believe you understand now. So this shortcode here will restrict cancelable. Yes, will be restricted the let me say will restrict the cancel of the dialog. Dialog cannot be cancelled except they click on the button. So that is it. So if it is not so, this place mean else as well. We know about, we have studied about this block in our video. If you want to know more about all these blocks, there are videos that we have done on this particular tutorial, explanation to many blocks, all those blocks. So if the thing is not on, what will happen? The text field that we put in our place. So we come to view. In our view here, we have text view. We place the text view here. We now get it, set it. and we can change color of the text view. Also, we get the color of the text view. We use it. You can use green, something that is good. We use green. So from the green we now say app is safe. You can see it here. So that is it. Nothing is here again. So what you have to do is to launch our application. You can do it, but especially try to understand about the network area that we are configured before we started the job here. So our app is ready to install. It's ready for installation. So we are installing. Now we want to open the app first of all. Notice that we are not using VPN yet, and the app is well open. As you can see, the app is open very well. It shows that the app is safe. That means there's no VPN connected to this in this my device. So now I want to open my VPN and connect the VPN, then come back to open the app and see what. So like I said, this is my VPN. So this is my VPN. I'm using Windscribe. So the Windscribe I want to use I will open it. I will look one of the location, any of the location. It doesn't matter the location. It's so far that the VPN is active. So let me say activate this particular one. Is reading the VPN is running. It has not yet activated. The VPN is active now. As you can see, everything is steady. So I minimize the thing. I will go to the application. This is the app here. This is the app here. I open the application. As you can see, the dialog here is showing to me that VPN restricted. Turn off your VPN and open the app again. As you can see,